putting the diaper bag and our drinks in the car. Eliana's got her appointment today, 8:20 in the morning. She's been up since 5. So hopefully it goes. Got our bow time. 9:40, you know what that means. All right, Morgan, you see what we got here? Do you know what this means?
Do you know how boring that is to look at?
That means we have a fair value gap right here on the 1 hour, okay?
True.
So when you're on the 1 hour, you want to drop down to the five minute, zoom out a little bit.
No one will ever watch that shit because it's so boring.
People are gonna love to watch me trade. So that right there is a 1 hour
You don't even trade.
fair value gap. We want it to push up in here and it's gonna tank, okay? So we go in here, we open up our trading account. We got a whole $23. What? Why are you laughing?
No one is laughing at you.
I didn't think so. She's sleepy from her doctor's trip. All right, so Morgan was really invested what I meant. Basically, it's gonna come up, come down, into the fair value gap and drop. And we're gonna see what we can turn $23 into. You don't remember how invested you were?
No.
Watch me. And we're watching Yellowstone. All right, Mo, we got in for a sell at this double top. Stop loss is 20 pips. What do you think? Hopefully you wake up in profit. All right, as you can see, we almost 100% our account. It's tanking. I moved my stop loss down. So no matter what, we're not losing this trade. And that's how it's going right now. All right, guys, so I was checking out my trade earlier and somehow it closed out, but at least it closed out $16 in profit, a little bit more than that. It's whatever. It was at $23 and then I made $16 today. So now it's at like 39, a little over. You can probably hear the cat sometimes in the background. That's our cat, Mr. Nice Guy. Anyways, yeah, I drive this car to work. As you can see, it's just a little dirty. When I get out the car, my seats go back automatic, you know, to help let me out. And it smashed my charger. I didn't want to bore y'all, but it is a lot cleaner now, so. Yup.
Are you kidding me? She needs one.
She like it?
Yeah, she likes it. Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, little Moby. I'm about to get a haircut now, so. How's it look? Just like that. A little quick. Skin fade. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a night. I appreciate if you watched to this point. So yeah, I'm gonna keep making more videos.